To fix pending delivery confirmation on Dhgate, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Dhgate website. Once there, you'll see a search bar, as well as options to sign in or sign up. If you're not already logged in, click on the Sign In option and enter your email and password information. From your account dashboard, you can view recently viewed items, your favorites, and your shopping cart. To access the pending delivery confirmation option, go to the My Orders section, where you'll see all of your orders, including those waiting for payment, shipment, or confirmation. The pending delivery confirmation option should appear here, and clicking on Confirm will send your payment to the seller. However, it's essential to wait until you've actually received your order before clicking on the Has Been Received button, as Dhgate holds your payment until you receive your order or click this button. Delaying this click until you've received your order ensures that you're protected in case there's an issue with your purchase. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the pending delivery confirmation process on Dhgate.